नमस्ते बच्चों, वेलकम back in this online class. In previous class, we have discussed about one method of separation, that is evaporation method, and today we'll discuss about the two other methods, that is centrifugation and separating funnel method. In these two methods, the different principles are used. In one method, the principle is based on the densities of particles, and second also it is based on densities, but the difference between these two methods is the first one is the mixture, which is uh, miscible mixture, and in second one the mixture is immiscible in nature. So we'll see them one by one. First of all, about centrifugation. Centrifugation method. It is a method of separation of mixture in which mixture is spun rapidly so that the denser particles are forced to bottom and lighter particles stay at the top. In this method, the main thing is spinning, means the mixture is spun rapidly. See, in this type of mixture, the components are miscible, means the components are mixed properly, means we cannot see them separately. Okay, the components are miscible, means the components are not seen separately. Okay, here the basic principle is that when the mixture is spun, means the sample is uh, get moving in the container. Okay, we force to move the mixture rapidly. Okay, and due to that movement, the heavier particles force to the bottom part of the container and lighter particles stay the top. मतलब हम मिक्सर को बहुत ज़्यादा स्पीड में घुमाते हैं, उसमें भारी जो पार्टिकल्स होते हैं कंपोनेंट, वो नीचे बैठता है और हल्के पार्टिकल्स ऊपर आ जाते हैं. ठीक है, ये is used in diagnostic laboratories for blood and urine test. It is a very common method used in laboratories for the testing of blood samples and urine samples too. See, the blood sample contain a different component and they are separated by this method because they have different densities. Okay, the different components of blood have different densities. Okay, similarly the different components of urine have different densities, so they are separated on spinning fast. See, second one is used in dairies and home to separate butter from cream. You all have seen, or if you talk to your parent, they will let you know that in olden times, still in some homes, uh, milk churner is used at home to separate cream from milk and butter from cream also. Okay, so manually it is used in home to separate cream from milk, and in dairies it is used in the form of machines. Okay, to separate cream from milk. We are seeing the different levels on dairy product, especially in the case of milk, that half cream milk, full cream milk. So it is done only on that basis, means by the method of centrifugation we separate the cream of milk and we name them half cream or full cream. Okay, so it is very important use. This one is also very important. And third is also very common. You are very much aware with this practice, used in washing machines to squeeze out water from clothes. कपड़े से पानी को निचोड़ने के लिए हम लोग उसको मशीन में ये स्पीड में घुमाते हैं इस कपड़े को. आपने घर में देखा होगा, अगर आप घर में मशीन होगा तो, और होगा ही. So it is these three are very common uses of method of centrifugation. The basic thing is that here the components are miscible in nature. ये miscible components के लिए है. Okay. Now we'll talk about the second method. That see, the second method is separating funnel method. Here also we separate the component of different densities, but the mixture contains immiscible liquid. Means the components of mixture are immiscible in nature. In this method, liquids of different densities are separated. The principle in this method is that immiscible liquids separate in layers depending on their densities. तो हम यहाँ पे डेंसिटी की बात करते हैं, लेकिन इस मिक्सचर में जो कंपोनेंट्स हैं वो नेचर में इमिसिबल होते हैं, मतलब वो ठीक से मिक्स नहीं होता. जैसे कि मिक्सचर ऑफ ऑयल एंड वाटर, you will see at your home, you can do at your own also, that when you mix oil and water, you will see a separate layer between the oil and water. See, I've taken this, it is called separating funnel. ये separating funnel का डायग्राम है. उसमें यहाँ से इसको हम लोग टैग करके इसको स्टैंड में खड़ा करते हैं. यहाँ से ये अगर मान लो ये आयरन स्टैंड हो गया तो यहाँ से टैग करके इसको हम लोग ऐसे करके टैग करते हैं स्टैंड में. अब इसमें it is made up of glass, it is transparent. Now I'll take the mixture of iron and kerosene oil. Suppose, see, I've tried to make the diagram, but it is not possible to show the different diagram of water and kerosene. So I have used pointed dots for water and these lines for kerosene. See, if you'll put them in this container, you will find a separate line between, it is a separator, you can say separate line between water and kerosene. Since water is higher in density than kerosene, so water will be at lower level and kerosene will be at upper level. See, here is a stopcock. When we open the stopcock or when we lose it, the water starts to come out through this opening, and when we tighten this, the water will not come out. Okay. Since there is a separate layer seen from outside, so when we loosen here, when we loosen this stopcock, the water starts to come out. And see, as soon as this layer of kerosene will reach up to this level, we stop or we tighten the stopcock. In this way we can separate water from kerosene. मतलब क्या हुआ कि हम पहले इसको लूज करेंगे इस कॉक को, धीरे धीरे क्या होगा, ये पानी नीचे आना शुरू होगा. जैसे ही ये लेवल इस जगह पे आएगा, हम क्या करेंगे, इसको बंद कर देंगे और क्या होगा, पूरा पानी बाहर और यहाँ ये ऑयल ऊपर बच जाएगा. ठीक है. तो इस मेथड से हम लोग ऑयल और वाटर के मिक्सचर को अलग कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि ये दोनों इमिसिबल, ये दिस एग्जाम्पल इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ इमिसिबल मिक्सचर. सी, इसका क्या एप्लीकेशन है. टू सेपरेट मिक्सचर ऑफ ऑयल एंड वाटर, इट इज़ वेरी कॉमन. ऑयल और वाटर के मिक्सचर को अलग करने के लिए हम लोग इस मेथड का यूज़ करते हैं. मतलब ऑयल और वाटर दोनों इमिसिबल लिक्विड हैं, ये कभी आपस में मिक्स होंगे ही नहीं. ठीक है. दे आर इमिसिबल लिक्विड. और इमिसिबल के पीछे रीज़न क्या है, वो डिफरेंट इन डेंसिटीज. ओके, नाउ second one, in the extraction of iron from its ore, the lighter slag is removed from the top by this method to leave the molten iron at the bottom in the furnace. See, blast furnace में हम लोग आयरन को उसके ओर से अलग करते हैं. वहाँ क्या होता है कि एट वेरी हाई टेम्परेचर, दैट इज मोर देन 1500 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड पे हम आयरन को गर्म करते हैं विथ कोक एंड अदर कंपोनेंट्स. ओके, तब क्या होता है कि आयरन मेल्ट करता है और ओर्स में जो अदर स्लैग है, मतलब जो इम्प्योरिटीज़ है ओर्स में, वो हल्के होते हैं आयरन से. तो वो क्या होगा, वो ऊपर से निकल जाएंगे. अगर मान लीजिए ये कोई कंटेनर है, लगभग इस तरह का इसका स्ट्रक्चर तो होता है, वो मैं ड्रॉ नहीं कर सकते, जगह भी नहीं है. तो यहाँ पे एक ओपनिंग होगी और एक यहाँ ओपनिंग होगी. तो अगर ये कंटेनर है, इसमें इतना लिक्विड फिल हो गया, तो नीचे बैठ जाएगा हैवियर लिक्विड जो कि आयरन हो गया, और ऊपर से जो स्लैग है, ठीक है, जो कि हल्का होता है, वो स्लैग यहाँ से बाहर निकल जाएगा. स्लैग के निकलने के बाद फिर हम लोग यहाँ से आयरन को बाहर निकालते हैं. ठीक है, तो ये this method is used to separate the immiscible liquids, and the principle is here the difference in density. So today we have discussed about the two methods, centrifugation and separating funnel method, to separate the components of mixture. Okay.